I swear, I have the worst luck with this car and like the most ridiculous small little incidents and things that just damage this car. Take a look at this. If you look right here, you will see I have a cracked windshield. There's a chip right here that runs down all the way across my little safety camera here to about here. Now the other week, it was about here. So it's moving as I drive. Now this is the most annoying thing because I don't even know when this happened. I have no idea when this windshield got chipped. I have an idea. I took a trip recently to New York, and if you know anything about New York roads, you know they're absolutely horrible. Massive potholes, rocks everywhere, and it's just terrible roads. But I didn't notice anything initially. I parked the car, you know, because I usually take my daily driver to work. So I parked this car, and then I come back, you know, the next time I go to drive it, I sit in to go to the gym, I look up, and I'm like, what the hell is that? So this is what I see when I look up. Hopefully it picks up on the camera, but right here, you see this long crack here. Now again, it was to like right about here initially. I have a smudge here that I've been using as a marker. So this is where it was last week. And then now, it's pretty much moved to here. So it keeps expanding. Let me see. Yeah, you can see it glistening right there if I move it right. And it's the most annoying thing because as I drive, the sun hits it a certain way and it just blinds me because it just all twinkles into my eyes. So naturally you would think, well, so what? Just get the windshield replaced. And I'm trying to, that's the problem. You see, unfortunately, the M2 is, I guess, surprise, not all that common of a car. The 2 Series in general in the United States is not a very common car. So the windshield, the place doesn't have in stock. So initially I made an appointment just to pay out of pocket. The windshield turned out was only gonna be, once they actually had it in stock, about $330. So I'm like, all right, whatever. I'll pay it out of pocket so I don't have to go through insurance. So I'm like, all right, whatever. $300, no big deal. So then come to find out that this little camera system here needs to be calibrated when you get a new windshield. Now, apparently some cars, just driving the car will calibrate it, but apparently this older generation, the CAFAS system or the KFAS, whatever it actually stands for, apparently this system has to actually be recalibrated. So unfortunately, I cannot just get a new windshield for this car. I have to actually have it calibrated. And the cost through the company that we typically use here in the US, Safelite, is an extra like $550. So total after tax and everything would have been almost $1,000 for this windshield. So I just went through insurance and it's just gonna be fully covered. But I've already been driving with this for like a week. Rather, I haven't been driving it. I parked this for a week because I didn't want to drive with it. But then I'm like, well, the weather's so beautiful, I kind of have to drive it now. So I'm kind of driving with the crack, just hoping it doesn't expand and get much worse. Because now my appointment was supposed to be this past week, and now I have it moved another week up because they can't get this windshield. Because again, the M2 is not a very common car as is. Like none of the 2 Series are that common to where they have the windshield in stock. So it actually is gonna take them a little bit of time to get the windshield, which is a bit annoying. It's not the end of the world. It's just, yeah, an unfortunate little update. Like nothing genuinely major has broken on this car, but I have had the most like small inconveniencing things break on this car. The windshield, I had my battery problem. That was a whole escapade. If you've been on my channel long enough, you know that whole thing was a disaster. I've had the cooling cap break. Just small annoying things on this car. None of which destroyed the car. It's just they've all made the car like somewhat undrivable for at least like a short period of time, or at least it makes you really nervous to drive. So yeah, good times, guys. So I just thought I'd share this little fun update that the small misfortunes of my M2 just continue. So that's all for this little update. So thank you guys so much for watching the update on my little M2 here and its stupid cracked windshield. Till next time, guys.